Hi guys, welcome back. Oh, it helps if this is the right way around. Look what arrived. Woo! This is the Tonic Studios craft kit for, I want to say September. Yeah, for September. So I think it's number 71, but we'll get into it. So let's just go into the box. Right, so yes, kit number 71. This is Marshmallow Hugs. I got very excited about this one too. So you get your little booklet and you can make all these amazing cups and wintry cups with like extra frosting, marshmallows, the drippy stuff like foam. But you could also use that and create a little house out of the cup. Just saying. Or it could just be for any other occasion, not necessarily for Christmas. So you get your little thingy that tells you what's in the kit. So I'll put that off to one side, as you guys know. I have to have a look at it. So there's a couple of bonuses. So you have, or there is a bonus. So you have a bonus thank you pack of cards and envelopes, and these are in an ivory white, so they're like a creamy colour, which I actually quite like. It gives more of a vintage tone if you use browns with it. And it's Maggie. One cat's attacking the other. And it does say US A6 on it, but I believe these are A6 as in UK A6. US A6 would be kind of an A2 size. So I think these are more a UK A6. It's the same sort of size. You can see it's sort of that sort of size. Anyway, so you get a pack of those, and there are, how many? Oh, 10 cards and envelopes in here, so that's really nice. And then you also get a little bonus, another bonus, which is this little pencil case. This is actually better quality than I was imagining it would be. I think because of the mesh that's in there. If I just open this, it's kind of like it's between two bits, and it's very smooth. But a nice little pencil case, just as a little bonus. You could store anything in here. It's just a really good size for a lot of things. So that's really nice. And then we have the bag of fun, which I will get to in a second. We have our stamps and dies, which again I will get to, and then the card pack. So let me get the box out of the way. So the card pack comes in the little folder as it always. Let's see if I can tell you what these things are without blinding you. So it looks like there are, and maybe these are upside down. Hold on one second. Yeah, they were upside down. So we have, right, let's see if I can get this in the right spot. So this is a, let's see, classic card in coral pink, and it is more pink in real life. The camera's not doing it justice. It's a very nice pink. And then we have the classic card bright white. We have the classic card in Arctic blue. And then there is a pearlescent coral luster. So if I just pop these three down, this is the pearlescent coral, very pretty, and it is a double-sided one, very pretty. These two are they are mirrors, so I won't blind you with them. Then we have the blue frost pearlescent, and again this is a double-sided, but it's got a lovely, it looks kind of green in here, unless I was sent a green one instead, but it's a beautiful pearlescent colour. Then we have chrome silver mirror and the smooth mint. Oh sorry, chrome silver and the smooth mint. So smooth mint has got a sort of slight green tint to it. The chrome is very silver and very very mirror-like, so I won't take this one off. I do not want to blind you. And then we have this, which is that Silky Sky? It's also like looks almost like brushed metal. But I want to say that's Silky Sky. So those are the papers, which are very, very nice. Then the stamp and die set, let's go through that. You always get a little doobry in here, which tells you about the stamp club and, you know, this tells you about the free gift that was automatically added to any orders up to the 18th of September. So if you just buy the kit as a one-off rather than a like recurring monthly thing like I do, then you up to the 18th you'll still get the card and envelope pack in it, so that's really nice. Then in here you have your sticker, which I always stick on my on my card and paper, just so I know what these papers belong to, until I've like used enough of them, and then I'll put them into like scrap pieces. And then for the stamps and dies, you have two die sets, and you also have a little stamp collection. So the stamp collection, this piece here, will die cut out of this die here, and you could stamp that and then layer it onto the cup itself, which is this one here, and create a stamped cup. These two will fit into this die, so again you could stamp onto that and then layer that piece onto your cup. It's kind of like the mug holder sort of thing, so you don't burn yourself. So smaller stamp set, but very cool. And there is some detail in here with like snowflakes and that kind of thing. And then these say sending a latte love, a latte love, and then Marshmallow Hugs, which is cute. So, and then on the die set, which you can kind of see there, you've got the, like I say, this layer here, which you can use with your stamp set, or you can layer these two detailed pieces into it. So this one creates this beautiful joined snowflake, and then this one has kind of like these little, I thought they were reindeer, but somebody said they were horses. I thought that was kind of weird for a Christmas thing, but they're very pretty, and it's got kind of like a flower thing there, so maybe you could use the mugs all year round. Maybe that's the idea. They're not just a Christmassy thing, but I kind of see them as horses, I guess, because that's what they apparently are, or they are, you could make them into unicorns, or you could also have them as kind of like quote unquote reindeer. So kind of more a Scandinavian thing. Then the other thing you have is the layers for the marshmallows. The marshmallow itself as well will cut out. No, there's no other. So there's two sizes of marshmallow. Let me put this down. There's a marshmallow there and a little one there. You have the curly whip for the top, and it also has a layer. You have the like banner thing, the what would be the cozy around it that you can add to it, and it's got these extra little pieces that go on the side, I believe. You have some steam for your hot cocoa or whatever. And then for the center here, you've also got these two little dies that will cut a little like message. So we have one that says, let's see if I can read this, sending warm hugs, so that's nice, and that can be all year. And then this one says warm hugs, no, warm, I can't read it, warm winter hugs, maybe, I'm not sure, I can't read that one. Anyway, I'll have to die cut them out and show you. And then you get a spoon, which I think is cool. Then you have like what would be the drink inside the mug, and then you have the drippy stuff. So if you've got foam that goes over the edge, you know, Christmassy, and then you have the main mug, and you also have this piece here which has got these tabs on the side, so you can actually create a bit of a pocket. So you can make it for a gift card, or you could just have a 3D kind of cup or mug and then have the spoon sticking out, marshmallows coming out, that kind of thing. So lots to play with, and I think it's such a cute die set and stamp set. So just pop this back in, and then of course for me the best bit is the bag of fun. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I forgot about half of this. Right, so you get some ribbon. Oh yay, I got the wider one. Right, so the ribbon is this one's in Glacier Grey, and this is the 9mm, so it's a thicker ribbon. I don't mind the thin one, but I'd never know what to do with it. So, so the Glacier Grey ribbon is either in the 9mm, so this thickness, or the really skinny 3mm, so you'll get one or the other. So that's very cool, and I like the colour actually. Then we have a Nouveau glue pen, so this is a medium flat tip. So, like so. So this is nice for die cuts, small die cuts. Yeah, you can use it for like little pieces, helps to stick it together. But you can use it with a number of other things. So you can use it with things like your flakes, what else does it say on here? Yeah, gilding flakes, glitters, that kind of thing, and it'll adhere. I don't think it's a blue to... Oh, my cat's just turned my PC on. I don't think it's a blue to clear kind of glue. I've never used it, so we'll try it and I'll let you know. But you can use it with your flakes and things. Then we also have the deluxe adhesive, which dries clear. I'm excited about this. I've never used this stuff before, but I keep willing myself to get some, so I'm excited about that. Apparently this is a very good glue for like making your boxes and stuff like that. It's a really good one for that. Then we have, let's go in here, we have a Nouveau drop, and this is the gloss drop in Simply White. I think this had a different name before. I think the white one I have, let me have a look if I can find it. Yeah, oh it's the same name, it's just looks a little different. So this is my existing one, so it's still the same name, Simply White Gloss, but they've just changed the label a little, so it's the same thing. So you get a bottle of that, which is always nice. Then I'm excited about this because one of the girls that I follow, that sounds weird, I know, but she actually said that you can now use this with a bit of water. So this is a glimmer paste, which you couldn't before. So she mentioned that in her video of unboxing this. So I will go back and re-watch it and just see whether that is the case, because my older ones, the bottles also changed shape. It used to be just a round bottle, so now it's got this sort of hexagon, is that the shape of it, bottle or jar, and yeah, I believe you can like water it down a little bit and then paint with it, kind of thing. But these are great for any of your pastes like this are going to be great through stencils, just swiping it across page just as a cool backdrop. When it's wet you can kind of tap your this thing on top of it to create texture, all sorts of fun stuff. So that's very cool, and this is in the colour Shooting Stars, so it's kind of a silvery, oh sorry, a silvery kind of grey, but I think it dries clear, so we'll play with that and see what happens. And then we also get a full-size embellishment mousse. I love this stuff. And this one is in Bermuda Pink, so isn't that beautiful? It's like a corally pinky colour. I love this with the blue. In fact, all the colour palette in this is really up my alley. I do like at Christmas time, instead of the corally colour, but putting like turquoise and red together as well. I think that works really nicely. So there we have it. Big old tub of that fabulous stuff. So I will get it on there properly in a minute. So there you go, guys. That's the kit for this month. I will be back, you know that, to share some ideas with you on what we can do with these things. And yeah, I'm excited about this one. This is a really nice, fun kind of thing. And like I say, you can use it all year round as well, from what I can see. So yeah, so I will see you soon with a video on what to do with some of this. Until next time, guys. Bye.